Good morning to everyone. A small real story for student. Please listen to this story. AP student was completed MSc. After she went to Bangalore for job purpose. Her get wonderful lecturer job in PU college. One day she forget her exam papers. Next day she went to near college. Security was there in college because that day Sunday there was no one staff. She went and asked him her exam papers, but he didn't know English and Telugu. He know only Hindi language. After she get thought, she called and discussed regarding this with her friend, then informed to security from her friend in Hindi language. Then he go to unlock the door and given to her exam papers. So must and should be learn Hindi language in intermediate and